with a quiz. Today, before starting the lecture, whole month, so many days, we are listening the lecture, we are feeling bored, right? Now, don't you all feel bored? Yes. So I am also feeling bored. So can we play today? First we will play and then we will see the lesson. Do you all agree? Yes, children. Do you all agree? Okay. So what we will do now? Today we will play quiz. Okay. Show me the thumb if you want to play the quiz. Raise the hand. Yes. Thank you, children. Yes. Very good. Good. Yes. So today all my children wants to play a quiz. Okay. Yes. Now, children, I am not going to share the screen with you. Okay. I will not share the screen. I will ask the question, and those who will give the correct answer, I will mark that child's name here. I will not tell you the name. Okay. I'm not going to tell you the name, but whoever will give the correct answer, that child's name I will write. Okay. So, okay. English. Today we are learning first lecture is English now. So on the base of English, some questions I'm going to ask you as a quiz, and those who will give the correct answer, I will count that child's name, how many times he has given the correct answer. Okay. Yes, good afternoon. So are you all ready for the quiz? Are you all ready for the quiz? Yes. So children, one general question. How many seasons are there in a year? Yes. One child is telling 3. Yes. Second one is also telling 3. Yes. Only 3. Okay. Arey baapre. Mostly they all are giving the answer is 3. But do you know 2 more seasons are there? 2 more seasons are there. Vedant? Yes. Correct. Correct. Samrat? Yes. 2 more seasons are there. Yes. Which those 2 seasons are? 3 seasons. Can anybody tell me which 3 seasons? 3 seasons. Summer season, rainy season, and summer season, and summer, rainy, and winter. Correct. This child is given the correct answer. 3 main seasons. But another 2 more seasons. One child has given 1 season. He has shown me. 1 more season. Yes. Another also has given me. Only, yes, 2 children have given the correct answer. 1 is boy and 1 is girl. Okay. I'm not going to tell you the name. It is a quiz, na? Yes. Yes. So the other season is autumn and spring. Now, autumn season, what happens in the autumn season? What happened in the autumn season? What happened in the autumn season? Very good. Very good. This girl has given the correct answer. Leaves fall. Correct? Leaves fall. Koi se? Autumn season. Leaves on from the trees. they are falling down, and that is called as patjhad. What they are called? Patjhad. Okay. Now, what happens in the spring season? But not patjhad, it is patjhad. Spring season. Why insect is coming on in house? Which season insects are coming in your house? Spring season. What happens in the spring season? What happens in the spring season? Leaves color is pink. Anybody else? Yes, new leaves come on the tree. What else thing happened during the spring season? What else thing happen in the spring season? Leaves grow. Arey Virat, it's not good. You should know what happens in the spring season. New leaves come. That is correct. Leaves grow. Yes. Nobody can tell. Why my Mumra students can't tell? Mumra's Diva students. They can also give the answer, na? Yes, leaves grow. That is correct. What else thing happen in the spring season? What else thing happen in the spring season? Trees have new leaves, correct? But anything that happens in the spring season? I want answer from Thane and Mumra students. The fields are barren. What barren? Spring season. Virat from Diva, give the answer. What happens in the spring season? Spring season is not cold season. Yes, we get flowers. We get flowers, different colors, full flowers are there. Everybody can hear me clearly, children? Am I audible? Yes. To other students also? Okay. Now tell me, what effect does the spring season have on you? Spring of new beginning, fresh bird blossom. Very good. English subject. Anything else? Anything else? Spring season. How do you enjoy the spring season? Can you give me another name of spring season? Any language, spring season, yes. Yes. Mangoes grow on the trees. That is in summer. Spring season. What is another name for spring season? Hindi, Marathi, any language. Vasant. Very good. Now my students can give the answer properly. Yes. Now I think you all are interested. No? Yes. Say in Hindi na. Hindi what it is called? Say, give the name of spring season in Hindi. Anybody who can tell in Hindi? Spring season. Vasant Rutu. Very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Mangoes grow on the tree. Vasant Rutu. So this spring season, it brings life on platform. Yes. The cool breeze is there. Different colorful flowers are there. Different colorful flowers are there. And what else things we get? Feel fresh everywhere. Everywhere blossom. Smell of beautiful flowers. We smell the fragrance of flowers. Then what else things you do? You experience in spring season? No. No. Either sign. Yes. No, my screen will not be visible to you until I allow. I told you we are playing quiz, no? We are playing quiz. We are playing quiz, no? Yes. Now tell me, children. These three seasons, which season starts first? Which season starts first? Summer. Then after summer, what comes? After summer, what comes? Rainy season. So summer starts from which month to which month? Summer starts from which month to which month? Monsoon, it when there is a heavy rainfall. That is the monsoon. Monsoon season means from that is the heavy rainfall. Summer season starts from February to May. Very good. Very good. Yes. No, not January. It is from February to May. Yes. Then rainy season starts from mid of June. Then by the end of July starts the monsoon. That is a heavy rain. Okay. June to September is a monsoon season. And then from October, which season starts? From October, which season starts? Winter season. Very good. Then this winter, it ends in the after in December. Then from December, that is the autumn season till February. Then again February, spring season. Okay, so this circle of season continues and it maintains our environment. Now children, tell me, which festival do you celebrate in a rainy season? Which festivals you celebrate in rainy season. Now our festivals are starting, na? Our festival is starting. So which is the first festival? First festival, 15th August. We have celebrated Eid first. Then rainy season, 15th August is there. After that, Dahi Handi, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, yes, that is the 15th August. Then Vata Purnima was there, correct, beta? Nag Panchami is there. No, Diwali is, Janmashtami is there. Holi, where we are celebrating Holi now? Yes, Ganpati we are celebrating. Yes. Diwali, it comes in which season? Diwali, winter season. Okay. So children, today we have learned about different seasons. Now I'm coming back to the lesson. We will have a revision of today's lecture. Okay. Yes. Now children, I would like to tell you that 1 minute. One minute, children. Okay. Now children, today we are going to learn about rainy season. Your lesson number 1. Rainy season. Now, this season is going as a rainy season. Just now we have faced flood. Then this also, cyclone was also there. So children, today here we are going to see how our poetess feels when there is a rain in the night and how she enjoys the rain. So today our poetess will tell us how she enjoyed the rain. Our poetess Amelio Josephine Burr, and she will tell us how the rain has effect on different things and different people and how it has affected her area, locality, and what she has decided to do. Raining all night long, sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. So it is raining all the night. And how it rains? It rains sometimes heavily, that is loudly, and sometimes soft, means without making noise. And how it rains? It sounds like a song. So see, you can see the raining. It is raining and everywhere water is there. And at night, when it rains and everything is quiet, the rain sounds like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. So, because of the rain, there will be a river in the gutter and there will be a lake on the street. And that will make the street will be full of water everywhere, and because of the rain, our lazy kitty is a cat and she is lazy sitting in every places. So it will make this lazy kitty wash his dirty feet. The roses were well diamonds, like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. So the roses who are the flowers, and when these raindrops will fall on them, they will shine like the diamonds, as if they are wearing the diamonds. What type of diamond they are wearing? These diamonds are worn on the crown. This is a crown of the kings and queen who are wearing this crown and the coat. In the palace, this king and queen, they are wearing these diamonds, and the roses will shine like the diamond, as if as that the king and queen are wearing at the court. But the pansies are little flowers that are going on the ground. They all will get muddy. These pansies, they are growing on the ground and they will get muddy, and their faces will become dirty. They will have dirty faces. Why? Because they are near to the ground. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. So the poet says that tomorrow I will go and sail my boats in the wonderful new places where they will float. The paper boat we are putting in the rainwater, okay, and they are floating, and they will go to the wonderful new places. But today I will take my watering cane and I will wash the faces of the pansies. Means I will wash pansies faces. So here, children, in this way, the poet describes his feeling, her feeling, how she will enjoy the rain and what she is going to do. How the rain is falling? The rain is falling sometimes loud and sometimes soft. And how it is making the sound? It is making the sound like a song. And pitter patter, you can see when there is a shade in your window or door, when the rain falls, you will hear the pitter patter sound of rain. So, and when it is very heavy rain, continuous tap 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 sound you can hear now. So it is sounding as if there somebody is beating the drum or something else. So that is the pitter patter sound, and it sounds like a song. And the gutter will turn into the river, and the lakes will turn into the lake. Sorry, the roads will turn, or the street will turn into the lake, and there will be water everywhere. Water blockage is there, so there will be water collecting everywhere. But the lazy kitty, whose feet are dirty, so my kitty will wash his dirty feet. The lazy kitty will wash his dirty feet in the rain, and the roses will wear diamonds. See here, these roses, the drops of rainwater that are falling on the roses, they are shining like the diamond in the sunlight. So how these roses will wear diamond? Like a king and queen who are having in their crown. So this king and queen, how they are wearing this crown. See here, you can see the queen is wearing the crown. So this crown, as if there is a diamond in the crown, same way the roses will have raindrops as a diamond. And but the pansies which are on the ground, they will get dirty. See this, these are the pansy flowers. Okay, and how they look, they are the purple in color. And these fancy flowers, they will get dirty. Why they will get dirty? Because they are growing on the ground. So these pansies will get dirty. So the poet says that I will do all my work tomorrow, but today I will go and clean the faces of pansies. So the poet says that I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, in different places. I will sail my boat tomorrow. I will enjoy my sailing of boat the next day. But today I will go and take my watering can and I will wash the face of pansies with my watering can. So hope children, you all have understood the lesson and I hope everybody will write all the questions that are given to you. Okay. Now children, it's again question answer time. Now children, tell me, would you like to have the quiz again or you want me to ask the questions? Yes, they just ask your doubt. Yes. Anybody want to ask anything, Sayyada? Yes, they just ask your doubt. Mm. Yes, Tejas, you wanted to ask the doubt, you can ask. Are Tejas, gutter you don't know? You don't have gutter? The channels where the waste water, drainage water is going, that is called as gutter. Pansies, I told the flowers that are growing on the ground. Colorful pansy flowers I have shown you now. Yes, Lakshmi, ask your doubt. Lakshmi, ask your doubt. Yes, Neha, you can also ask. Poem was funny. Why rain is falling down, child? Every day, when the water evaporates, it evaporates in the sky in the form of water. This water evaporates and forms clouds. There is a moisture in the air. When this moisture mixes up with the um, dust particles, it mixes up with the dust particle, it gets heavy. And while floating in the air, it forms into the rain droplets. And when these droplets, they combine, they come together, mix up with each other, they forms rain. And when it is a heavy, as we are having this gravitational pull, this rain, these droplets comes down and they don't freeze in the air, but they comes down, and when they comes down, they will fall in the form of rain. Now Kitty. Kitty is a cat, and I have shown you Kitty. Yes. Ask Lakshmi. Okay, thank you, Mahek, that you understood the poem. Yes, first let me sort out this children's problem. Lakshmi, ask quickly. Lazy kitty, you can see the cat is always sitting somewhere. That is the lazy kitty. Kitty means the cat. Okay, yes. 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 So I will ask you the questions. My voice is breaking. Why? I am audible to everyone, na? Okay. Now tell me, when does no. What can you see during rainy season? What do you see in the rainy season? Now give the answer to this. Correct, Anamta. Rain, clouds, then water, raindrops. Yes, rain. Beside that, something else we see. Yes, we see frogs also. Hmm. Raindrops are there. What else? Smell of mud. Yes, rainbow. Correct. Black clouds. Correct, Purva. Yes, sometimes we see rainbow. No, no, pansies are the flowers. What else we see? Earthworm you don't see during rainy season. Earthworm. Yes. Then different colorful butterflies also you can see. Yes, earthworm. Different colorful butterflies are there. What else is there? What else is there? Locust, katydids. All these insects are also there. Locust and katydids. What is? What is? What else? Something you are missing that only we can see during rainy season. A bedbug, tiger butterfly, yes. Green grass, yes, correct. Flowers, yes, Akim is correct. Frogs, yes, we see frogs. One more thing that we can see in the rainy season. I will give you hint. It is an insect. It is an insect that is the insect that you can see in the rainy season only. Which bug? Ladybugs we can see, yes. Snail, correct? Yes, what else? Huh? Snake, fly, grasshopper. Yes. Snail we can see in rainy season. What else? Something. Mosquitoes they come in, after the rain. Honeybee we can see anytime. Anything else? Anything else? It is a, yes, dragonfly. Glowworm you don't see during rainy season. Glowworm, firefly, jugnu, jugnu. Dragonflies we can see, but we see glowworms also. That is fireflies. Fireflies, jugnu. Yes, so different insects and different animals we see during rainy season. So children, I hope everybody have understood the lesson. Yes, okay. So have a good day. See you soon, children, tomorrow in the next lecture. So bye everyone. See you soon. Have a nice day. Stay home and keep safe. Bye children.